A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here to tell you how you can get love of your crush, how you can control your crush, how you desire and you control on that person you like the most. Today we are going to tell you very enjoyable, easy, powerful, instant giving result spell. This spell is very powerful and the lots of people use this and they got solved their love problem or love issue after doing this spell. So for doing this spell you have to do some things that you have to give full concentration on this video, and you have to take a leaf of tree. It could be any kind of leaf, any trees, 2 pieces of rice and a black marker. No ingredient required except of that. To start this spell you have to know what's the name of person, and then you have to write the name of that person on the leaf. Like for example, the person or male's name is John, and you have to write Lisa, the person's name that you want to control on that. Like the male's name should be on the left side of the leaf and the woman's name should be on the right side of the leaf. After that you have to take 2 pieces of the rice. It could be any size. I'm going to make a circle around it that you can show it easily. And after that you have to make a heart sign around this leaf. Like this. After that you have to make a sign of arrow like this, but this sign of arrow should not touch leaf. One side should cross the name of the male, the another side should cross the name of that woman. It should be like this. After that you have to write woman name or a girl name. On the other hand you have to write male name. Like for example, her name is Lisa and boy's name is John. After that you have to close this notebook like this, and you have to keep this notebook under your pillow, a place where you are going to sleep near to it, and you have to sleep. After next day when you wake up you have to directly open this page and pull out this page where you make this spell. You pull out that page and you dispose that. You have to dispose that paper properly, and when you dispose that after 2 hours that person come to you and they will propose you for your marriage, for friendship, or he or she will say that I love you a lot, and for whole life the person would be in your control. You have to do this spell twice a week. You can do this spell 2 times a week: Wednesday before 9 a.m. and Sunday before 9 a.m. So on 2 days you will get the result, and if you want to use at any day aspect of that, then you will not got any kind of result, because this spell only for Wednesday and Sunday. For more information you can call us, you can text us, and you can, if you have any kind of question, then you can message on comment box, then we will reply you. And if you want to ask a direct question, you can call us on our number. Thank you.